Have you ever wondered how the world's purest coconut oil is made? Every bottle of premium coconut oil begins its journey in lush tropical coconut plantations, where nature and modern technology work together to create one of the healthiest natural oils on Earth. Coconut oil has been used for centuries in cooking, skincare, hair care, and traditional medicine. Today, it is one of the most popular natural products worldwide. But producing truly pure coconut oil requires much more than simply pressing coconuts. It involves careful harvesting, advanced processing techniques, and strict quality control at every stage. The process begins on coconut farms, where experienced farmers inspect thousands of coconut trees. Only fully mature coconuts are selected because they contain the highest amount of rich, nutritious oil. These coconuts are harvested by skilled workers who carefully remove them without damaging the fruit. After harvesting, the coconuts are collected and transported to the processing facility. Before production begins, every coconut is carefully inspected. Damaged or spoiled coconuts are removed to ensure that only the highest quality fruits enter the production line. Next, the coconuts are thoroughly washed with clean water to remove dirt, dust, and any remaining debris from the farm. Maintaining cleanliness at this stage is essential because even the smallest impurities can affect the quality of the final product. Once clean, powerful machines remove the thick outer husk. Underneath the husk lies a hard shell that protects the fresh white coconut meat inside. Specialized equipment then cracks the shells open, allowing workers to separate the coconut meat with great care. The freshly extracted coconut meat is washed once again before moving to the next stage of production. At this point, every step follows strict food safety standards to guarantee a product that is both safe and exceptionally pure. In the next part, we'll see how fresh coconut meat is transformed into rich coconut milk and how advanced technology extracts crystal clear virgin coconut oil while preserving its natural nutrients, flavor, and aroma. After the fresh coconut meat has been cleaned, it moves to the next stage of the production process. Powerful industrial grinders shred the white coconut meat into fine, soft pieces. This increases the surface area, making it much easier to extract every drop of nutritious coconut milk. The grated coconut is then transferred to large hydraulic presses. These machines apply steady pressure, squeezing out thick, creamy coconut milk. Rich in natural oils, vitamins, and nutrients, this milk is the foundation of premium virgin coconut oil. Now comes one of the most important stages of the entire process. Instead of using harsh chemicals or high temperatures, many premium manufacturers rely on cold press technology or high-speed centrifuges. These advanced methods gently separate the pure coconut oil from the coconut milk, while preserving its natural flavor, aroma, and nutritional value. As the separation process continues, the golden, crystal-clear coconut oil begins to emerge. Because it has not been exposed to excessive heat, the oil retains its natural antioxidants and healthy medium-chain fatty acids, making it one of the highest quality edible oils available. The freshly extracted oil is then pumped through several layers of fine filtration systems. These filters remove tiny particles, moisture, and any remaining impurities, leaving behind exceptionally clean and transparent coconut oil. Before the oil can be packaged, every batch is tested in a modern quality control laboratory. Experts carefully examine its purity, color, aroma, moisture level, and overall quality. Only batches that meet strict international food safety standards are approved for sale. Thanks to these advanced production methods and rigorous inspections, every bottle delivers the same premium quality, fresh coconut fragrance, and natural goodness that consumers expect. In the next part, we'll explore the final stages of production, including bottling, packaging, storage, and how this premium coconut oil is shipped to customers around the world. After passing every quality inspection, the purified coconut oil is transferred to the bottling section. Here, the entire process is fully automated to ensure maximum hygiene and consistency. Before filling begins, every bottle is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. This step helps prevent contamination and ensures that the coconut oil remains fresh for a long time. The crystal clear oil is then carefully measured and poured into each bottle using precision filling machines. Every container receives the exact amount of oil, maintaining consistent quality across every product. Once filled, the bottles move to automatic sealing machines. Airtight caps are securely attached to prevent leaks and protect the oil from air and moisture. Each bottle is then labeled with important information, including the product name, nutritional facts, manufacturing date, expiration date, and batch number for complete traceability. Next, the bottles travel along a conveyor belt for a final inspection. High-speed cameras and trained technicians check every package for defects such as damaged bottles, loose caps, incorrect labels, or improper filling levels. Any product that does not meet the company's strict standards is immediately removed from the production line. After inspection, the approved bottles are packed into strong cartons and prepared for shipment. They are stored in clean, temperature-controlled warehouses until they are ready to be delivered to supermarkets, retailers, and customers around the world. From tropical coconut farms to advanced manufacturing facilities, every step of the journey is carefully managed to preserve the oil's natural purity, rich aroma, and nutritional value. It is this combination of traditional farming, modern technology, and strict quality control that makes premium virgin coconut oil one of the finest natural products available today. The next time you open a bottle of pure coconut oil, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken, from a fresh coconut growing under the tropical sun to a premium product enjoyed by millions of people across the world.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot and helps us create more great content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.